Welcome back to another project. Today, we're going to do something about a dimly lit patio. So I've decided to go with the Philips Hue brand lighting. I really like that, just how established they are. I know they're expensive. They're very expensive, but I like the built-in diffusers. I like the waterproof ratings. So I went with 2 of their outdoor shape lights, which they have the built-in diffusers on the strips, which also I really like. And I've got 1 bulb, there's 1 light out there. And then I've got a motion sensor. I want to set it up to where when somebody's on the porch, it switches on automatically. Hopefully I've got some B-roll lined up. Cut to it. As you can see, the porch is really dimly lit. There's just that 1 bulb. You can't really see it. There's no ambiance. The mood doesn't look right. So what I want to do is just really make it where it's more of a fun place to hang out, and also where there's just a little bit more light whenever we're out there letting the dogs out at night or whatever. Let's get to installing. This is the patio in question. We're gonna go around these perimeters at the edge of this board with lights. Try and go around the back side of this one and then down here. Now the problem is the joints where one strip ends and where the next one starts are not falling where I wanted them to. Was hoping it would fall on that post. It's not. So I'm gonna have a gap where there's no lights. There's really nothing I can do except for, there's really nothing I can do. So it's not gonna be exactly what I wanted, but I think it'll still look good. So let's get started. So each one of these comes with, there's a little power supply attached to the light, and then there's one that you plug into it. It's all waterproof and sealed up, which is nice, but it's very bulky. So be mindful of that. Lessons learned. The little clips, you want to put those at the recommended distance. I think it says 8 inches, I'm not sure. I threw away the paperwork. But put them at the recommended distance because it'll hang down a little bit if you don't. Take your time, do some good cable management. I was able to hide it behind some of my siding. That's kind of how it ended up. With this hidden over here. And then we're running all the way down the side of the house. The install went well, it was quick. It would have been a lot easier with another set of hands just to hold the light string up while you screw in the next clip.